You can go anywhere and do whatever you want without working and still earning money. This is the power of passive income. But can you make it happen fast? The real answer to this question is... Hey guys, my name is Patrick Cogen, and in this video I'm going to share with you 4 passive income ideas how you can make money online, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can grow your online business and take it to the next level. Passive income is one of the best ways, if not the best, to make money online. Having a great passive income idea can make you money for a lifetime. But before we jump into these 4 passive income ideas, we have to define what passive income actually is. A lot of people think that if they are working from 9 to 5 job and they are getting monthly checks, that this is their passive income. Wrong. They are trading their time for money, and it is not passive income. Passive income is automated and it's happening while you are sleeping, driving, or enjoying the time with your family or friends. You can go anywhere and do whatever you want without working and still earning money. This is the power of passive income. But can you make it happen fast? The real answer to this question is no. If you start today, you can't have high passive income in like 2 days. It takes time and you have to be patient in order to make it work. If someone tells you you can make passive income and huge profits in just 1 day, he is not telling you the truth. Passive income is a long-term strategy, and what I like about it is that it has what is called snowball effect. Once you start earning some passive income, for instance $10 a day, $20 a day or $50 a day, it slowly starts growing like a snowball. You can make $1,000 your first month, then $2,000, then $5,000, and it will grow every single month. It sounds great, isn't it? So, what are those 4 passive income ideas? First idea, Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is easy to join and you can choose from dozens of products to promote. Most of the products offer you from 4% to 8% of commissions. Most people are familiar with Amazon and they trust Amazon. This is the reason you should pick Amazon products. You can pick something you like, or something you are passionate about, or you have some previous experience with it. And how you can actually do this is to make a video on that product. For instance, make a video on top 5 headphones. Make it specific, like top 5 headphones in 2019 or top 5 headphones for gaming, so the competition is not so high. And below the video, put your affiliate link in the description. And let's say you have 10,000 views or even 100,000 views. If only 1% buy, you get thousands of dollars from that one video. Even if someone clicks on your link and doesn't buy those headphones but buys something else within 24 hours, Amazon will pay you a commission for that product as well. You can make different videos on different products and your passive income starts to grow like a snowball. Second idea, Kindle Books. Creating and publishing Kindle Books is a great passive income idea. You can go to kdp.amazon.com, which is free to join, and you can publish books and earn royalties for every book you sell. But what if you are not a writer and you don't know how to write books? That's okay. You can go to Warrior Forum, Epic Write, or hire some freelancers to do that for you. What I like about this passive income idea is that you can actually outsource and automate 90% of this strategy. You can earn up to 70% of commissions from your Kindle Books, and you can even create paperback versions of your Kindle Books to earn even more money. It's easy to do and Amazon handles printing and shipping for you. You just get paid every time someone purchases your book. Third idea, selling digital products. You can choose to sell some kind of digital product, software or course. It's important to pick just one, software or course. After you make a choice, focus on marketing that one product. You might start a YouTube channel, build an email list, start using Instagram or Facebook to market that one product. I would recommend to focus on just one thing. Choose your favorite platform and start creating consistent content around that particular product. You can show different benefits of that product or show people how to use it properly. Start building community based on that product and eventually you will get signups and start earning commissions. Affiliates earn around 40% of the sales price of the product. It's important to be patient and add as much value as possible. Fourth idea, tutorials on YouTube. This is similar idea like the third one if you decide for YouTube. However, you can create different tutorials and show more products in your videos and thus have multiple affiliate offers. You can create step-by-step tutorial and use their software or service in that particular video. If someone wants to try the software or service and they click on your link below the video and make a purchase, you earn a commission. You can create multiple videos on different softwares or products you are currently using or have used. Even if you didn't use the particular product before, you can still learn it. Google it or watch some videos and make a tutorial based on that. So these are the 4 best passive income ideas in my opinion, so pick one of them which fits you the best. Whether it's Amazon Associates, Kindle Books, selling digital products or creating tutorials on YouTube. And please don't be like 99% of the people who watch it and never take any action. Pick one of these passive income ideas and make a decision to start today. It's significant to take the action now. You can start slowly, but start. Otherwise, your passive income will be only a dream. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys do want to check out more videos like this, I will put links in the description below, so go ahead and check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button right below this video. It helps me know that you like this kind of videos and I can do more of them. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you don't miss out on the future content. If you guys do have any questions, just go and comment below in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as best I can. And with that being said, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.